Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Sheets for your Windows 11. So first you are going to open Google Chrome browser, and it is better to use this browser. Then you are in the search bar, you are going to type Google Sheets, and then you will find the first official website. You just select it here. You can go back to home page, and then you will find the three dots. You just click here, then you are going to choose the option cast, save and share, and then you will find the option here install page as application. You just select it. You can name it as you want here, then you just click on install, and now as you can see the application is installed. And when we go back to our desktop view, here as you can see we have the application installed, and now we can access Google Sheets directly from our desktop. No need to open any browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.